It's grandmother.
I just bring her that.
Thank ma. Auntie Church are the best cooker. Oh my god, the jollof rice was very yummy. Let me go and video the jollof rice. Oh my word. Oh, I will just ask him. This is mineral. Ma?
A few moments later.
I see my alcohol. Baby shark, I know that too, yeah. Oh, Sissy. Baby shark. You go born girl first. You don't even care, my daughter. Come on, they allow anybody touch her.
the next day.
What do you want from me? Look. Hey guys, you guys, it feels like since no, I did not ask you. Try to excuse me. Feels like since I came back, it's been from one party to the other and every other thing. But anyways, guys, we're here to open Kaima's gifts. Kaima, did you have a good birthday?
Bicycle.
Kaima got bicycle. Kaima got scooter for my sister and her family. Look at this. Woo! Kaima, how do you feel, baby girl? What do you have to say? Only fine girl. Kama says she's the only fine girl. Say thank you, aunties.
Thank you,
Say thank you, aunties.
aunties.
Say thank you, uncles.
Thank you, uncles.
For the birthday wishes.
A birthday wishes.
Say God bless you.
God bless you.
What do you guys have to say to Kaima? But anyways, we want to unbox her gift. This came from Uzo. Sorry.
I want to open it though.
Oh, excuse me.
Open the box now.
This came from Uzo. This came from Uzo. You guys. Oh yeah.
Wow!
Look at what's inside. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, come on, just looking at us. Father, wait.
This is a house, a toy house, I think. Okay, no, my very own kitchen. Kaima, you have your first ever kitchen. Wow! Don't tear it like that. It's to build it.
Wow.
It's to build it.
Wow.
Maybe a train.
And then a birthday card from Uzo as well. You guys look at happy birthday, Kaima. To our beautiful Kaima, we love you. We love you a tad bit much. From your realest, truest, finest Dara, you are my one true bestie. Wow, this is so cute. Excuse me. And then this is from Auntie Oyi. Come and see from Auntie Oyi. Wow. You guys can't just think that it's his birthday and I'm unboxing his birthday gifts. Come and see from Auntie Oyi. Wait now, Mama, come and take. Wow. What do you say to Auntie Oyi? Thank you, Auntie Oyi. Okay. And then this one came from Chacha Baby. She knows Kaima loves teddy bear. Woo! Kaima loves teddy bear. And this came from my sister in business. I mean, I usually rent my items from her, and she knew that it was my daughter's birthday, and she sent all of this. Woo! Got to wait now, teddy bear. Woo! Can I see your teddy bear? Woo! And look at this. So cute. And then other people sent in cash gifts for Kaima. You guys will not believe that Kaima is 2 years old. Unbelievable. And I'm just thankful for her growth. The girl is super smart, super intelligent, literally says and talks everything. Hey, we even guard our mouths in this house so that Kaima will not. But I'm just really thankful for Kaima, honestly. And the song that came to my heart, like on Kaima's birthday, was this Bethel song. The enemy thought he had me, but Jesus said you are mine. If you don't know all of those stories, please just go down my my vlogs and watch, you know, from I think 2 years ago when, you know, I was pregnant with Kaima and everything, and this is where we are now. Kaima, do you want to end the vlog?
My baby.
Your baby, what do you have to say?
Okay.
Say bye guys.
Bye, guys.
See you later.
See you later.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
You guys, Kama had a good birthday. Kama, did you have a good birthday?
Hmm.
Yes. Let her enjoy all of her toys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one.